Going from Michigan to Milwaukee now. Talk to Darlene. I'm probably sure I didn't pronounce that correctly. Hello, Milwaukee. You are live.
Hello. It's Dalian.
Dalian. All right. How are you, girl? What's going on?
Oh, I'm doing okay today. I've seen many doctors. They all say it's my gallbladder, and that it will bust one of these days, and to stay on a bland diet, not to eat this, not to eat that. I've lost over 50 pounds in the last 3 years, and my doctor even asked me if I was taking diet pills.
Yeah, so you were not trying to lose weight, and you lost weight?
Yeah, I've lost over 50 pounds. I went from 190 to like 130 right now.
Hey, that's not good. How do you feel?
I feel like shit. I don't feel well at all. Again today, I threw up yesterday. I had just like maybe 2 pieces of pizza for lunch, which I shouldn't have ate, but I did, and it made me throw up.
Okay,
so I've been talking to a friend of mine, Sherry, and she's been trying to get me to start doing a program. But that seems to bother my stomach too, you know?
Well, all right, so more to the point here. We need to get you on board with a program that supports and promotes the health of your digestive tract and that gives your body the raw materials that your body needs in order to fix itself. I mean, that's just a prudent thing. The MDs have nothing for you here. All that they can do is tell you to take your gallbladder out. And I was talking to a person in Miami who had Monday, Sunday, Saturday, Friday, 4 nights ago. I was talking to somebody in Miami. They had symptoms very similar to what you had. The MDs told her for years it was a gallbladder. She finally agreed to have the gallbladder removed, and the pain is still there. It didn't fix it at all. She got no refund. Nobody's hands got slapped. The medical doctors just dusted themselves off and walked away, and meanwhile she's got no gallbladder, and she's in exactly the same spot she was before. Now, you know, you've gone to a lot of medical professionals, and they haven't given you anything that's of any use and effectiveness. So for goodness sake, cancel your comprehensive medical insurance because they've got nothing for you. Buy acute catastrophic insurance instead to save you, from bankruptcy bills in case you do need to go to the emergency room for some type of emergency thing. But the MDs have nothing for you here, nothing. And you need to stop giving them your hard-earned money in the form of medical insurance premiums every month. All right? So to support and promote the structure and function of the digestive tract, here's the recommendation for 90 days, 3 months. And I'm going to give these recommendations to you in order of importance. If you do not do all of the things that I tell you to do, this program will not work. You must do everything that I tell you or do nothing. This is an all-in thing. You're either all in or you're all out. There is no medium ground here. So the first thing to do, eliminate from your diet 10 foods. There's 10 foods on the bad food list that I want you to stop eating yesterday. You must eliminate these foods immediately from your diet. I don't want you to look at these foods ever again in your life. I don't even want you to smell these foods, number one. Number two, what's your current body weight?
I'm 130 pounds.
All right. Oh, yeah, you told me that, and I forgot. 130 pounds. All right. So per month for 3 months, I would like you, please, to take 1 healthy pack, enzymes, and selenium. I want you to get those supplements and take them every day. Well, that package is a month's worth of stuff. I want you to do that for 3 months in a row, plus eliminate the 10 bad foods. Do not have your gallbladder removed unless it is a life-threatening emergency. And if it was a life-threatening emergency, they would have told you it was a life-threatening emergency, and they would have yanked it already. So follow these instructions. Eliminate those foods. Take these supplements. And after you've done that for 3 weeks, 3 weeks, call me back live on the radio and tell me and everybody else in the world the type of progress you have sustained here. This really isn't any different than that car metaphor that I was talking about at the top of the hour. You need to put air in the tires, you need to put oil in it, and transmission fluid, and power steering fluid, and radiator fluid. You need to make sure all the spark plugs are good and that all the wires are connected and the computer system is up to date. And once you've done that, you're good to go. So that's what this program does. It's a comprehensive boilerplate, science-based, clinically verified program to support and promote the structure and function of your body and facilitate the ability of your body to fix itself. Because your medical doctor does not believe that your body has the ability to fix itself. We do. And that is the grand difference between the two therapeutics. Thanks so much, Milwaukee. Give me a call in 3 weeks with a report. I appreciate the call and I appreciate the trust.